Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 6, implementing VLANs and inter-VLAN routing. So what is VLAN? So the VLAN is virtual local area network and how it is worked. So as you see on the screen on the left side, we have a VLAN 10, is called a IT department, and the VLAN 20, we have a sales department. So these VLAN 20, they can communicate each other because they have a same network, which is 192.168.20, 192.168.20.2, right? So now if I open my command prompt and I open from 20.10, right? So now if I want to ping the 20.2, ping 192.168.20.2, I'm able to ping, right? The TTL 128, send 4 packets, receive 4, lost is 0%. So now if I want to ping the PC on VLAN 10 and the network is 10.2 and 10 network, right? So let's ping the 10.2 from 20.10 network, 10.2 network. So 10.2. So I should not able to ping successfully, okay, because they are belong to the different VLAN. Okay, so now I'm going to open the PC from here. So I open the PC from 10.2 here, right? And now I'm going to ping. You see, ping the 20.10, 20.10. Okay, so let's ping 20.10. Ping 192.168.20.10. So I'm pinging this PC. So this also will fail. So it is reason being it is failed because they are belong to the different VLAN. So we can secure our network, apply the VLAN. This is one of the reason that why we are using VLAN, right? So why we use VLAN? We can say enhance security, efficient traffic management, improve flexibility and okay. Now, if I want to talk, if the VLAN 10 want to talk with the VLAN 20 or VLAN 20 want to talk with the VLAN 10, so they should ping each other. So what we can do? And that is the concept called inter-VLAN routing. So that's why we include the router. So you have to make some configuration in the router. So this way they can communicate with each other. Okay. So let me open the router. So en, so config t, interface gigabit 0/0, no shut. As I mentioned, I already configured this router, right? So it will take a few seconds. All right, so connection has been established. So now if I open this PC again, and I'm going to ping the 10.2 network, okay, 10.2. Now I should, it should able to ping successfully. So the first time it will fail. The second time, easy, is able to ping successful. Now if I go to the from the VLAN 10 and try to ping the 20 network, so 20.2. So I'm trying to ping this one. Okay, so it's successful. So that is the lab that we are going to do today. And like, what is VLAN? What is inter-VLAN? I already provide the explanation here, or also you can Google to get more information. So now let's get started. So I'm going to open a new file. So the file new. So it will be like this. Okay. So now what do we need? We need a Cisco router 1941. So we know that this is the device, network device. So it's a 1941. And we need Cisco 2960 switch. 2960. Now the steps is first we are going to configure the switch. Okay, not the router. So configure the VLAN. So double click on the switch, then click on CLI and EN and config T, then VLAN 10, name IT, VLAN 20, name cells. So let me see, exit, name IT, so now VLAN 20, right? VLAN 20, name cells, exit. The next steps that we are going to assign the port number with the VLAN 10. So this is the comments. So I'm going to copy. We already saw these comments. Okay. So interface range fast Ethernet 01. This is the range comment. So 0 for port 01 to 10 will be assigned to what? To, we are going to say switchboard mode access. Switchboard access VLAN 10. Exit. Now we are going to do the similar for port 11 to 20. It's going to switchboard mode access, switchboard mode access VLAN 20. Exit. Now we are going to verify using the show VLAN command. So exit. So VLAN. So if I expand a little bit, you see VLAN 10, it has a port number from 01 to 10, and VLAN 20, which is cells, it has 11 to 220. We done with the assign the VLAN to the port number. Okay, now we are going to add two PC. So add two PCs to the VLAN 10 with the IP address this and 10.3. Okay, so add two PC. And make a connection. So we know we need a straight through cable, right? From connect between switch and the PC. So we have to connect to the first Ethernet 01 because this is going to be the VLAN 10. And this PC also we are going to connect to the first Ethernet 02. And the IP address for this one is going to be 192.168.10.2. Subnet mask just assign the default gateway for now on 192.168.10.1. So we don't have configured this one as yet, but we will eventually, right, in the router. So just assign this on this for now. Okay, so same thing we are going to do for the PC one. And this is for 10.3. So 192.168.10.3. And default gateway is going to be 192.168.10.1. Same thing, we are going to connect two PC for VLAN 20. So this is VLAN 10, and we needed two more PC for VLAN 20. And VLAN 20, what is the port number? It should be from 11. So let's connect to the 12. And this one I'm going to connect to 13. And you see port number is not displayed because I turn off. So if you want to see the port number, what you can do, Cisco packet tracer, preferences, and show device. I need a port number here. See, port number is displayed now. Again, PC2, what is the IP address? 20.2. Desktop 192.168.20.2. Subnet mask is, we know that we will configure the default gateway. So 192.168.20.1, and this one should be 192.168.20.3, 192.168.20.1. All right, so we configured this. So now let's do the troubleshoot to make sure our configuration is working as expected. So the first, excuse me, so PC from VLAN 10 should be able to ping another PC within the same VLAN. So this is VLAN 10, right? So I can make it different color here. Okay. Fill color. So before that, I can write it down. So this is the label. So this should be belong to VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Can put it here. Let me remove this. And make a little bit bigger this icon. Okay, so you can click on zoom icon here and here. Okay, so this is VLAN 20, this is VLAN 10. So now what is the IP address for this one? It is 10.2, 10.2, right? 192.168.10.2. And what about this one? This one is 10.3, 192.168.10.3. And this one is should be 20.2, 192.168.20.2. And this one is 20.3, 192.168.20.3. Okay, so the first is here. We are going to do this. So PC from VLAN 10. So this is the VLAN 10, right? This side is VLAN 10. So 10.2 should be ping 10.3 and vice versa. Okay, so let's open the PC for 10.3. So ping 192.168.10.2. Okay, we are able to ping this 10.2 PC. And the second, also these two should be communicate each other. So 20.3 should be able to ping 20.2. So this one is 20.3 PC. So ping 192.168.20.2. We are able to ping. And the third option we have here is PCs from VLAN 10 should not be able to ping PC with the same VLAN. PCs from 10 should not be able to ping another PC. Another PC should be another PC from or different VLAN or VLAN 20. For now, I will change that. So PC from VLAN 10 should not able to ping another PC from VLAN 20 or different VLAN. Okay. So basically, right now I am on, like, if you are a VLAN 20, you should not able to ping any PC with the VLAN 10, or if you are a VLAN 10, you should not able to ping VLAN 20. Okay, let's execute. So ping 192.168.10.3. So I am on 20 VLAN 20, and I am trying to ping PC 10.3, which is VLAN 10. It should fail. So now I'm going to try with from the VLAN 10. You see 100% package lost. Okay. So now I'm going to ping from this PC, and let's ping to 20. 20.3. Okay, it will take a few seconds. All right, as you see, between these two VLAN 10 and 20, they are not able to communicate, and 100% packet is lost. Okay, so in order to communicate between these two VLAN, we have to introduce the concept called inter-VLAN routing. So inter-VLAN routing make some kind of space where both VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 able to communicate. Okay, so now let's get started with make a connection from switch to the router. So I gave you step number 7. So for switch use for gigabit 01. So we know between switch and router is going to be the straight through cable, and we have to, from the switch is going to be 01 gigabit 01, and the router it should be gigabit 0/0. Okay, so now first thing we are going to configure the trunk port connection between switch and the router. So double click on the switch and enable config T and interface gigabit 0/1. All right, so I have to apply the next comment, which is switch port mode trunk, and enter. And then we have to connect, make a configure. We have to configure the router. So double click on the router and click on CLI, no, and enable config T. And then we know that in the router we are using gigabit Ethernet 0/0 interface 0/0, no shut, exit, and then we have to use interface, or we can the error interface gigabit 0/0.10. So this .10, it is nothing but we are telling, hey, we are going to use the VLAN 10 for this one. So we have only one port here, only one connection, right? So we have to use one connection for both VLAN 10 and 20. So the way we can do it, multiple VLAN assigned in the same interface like this. So you have to say interface and name of the interface, which is gigabit Ethernet 0/. So this is the 0/0 dot and name of the VLAN. I mean the VLAN number, which is 10. So now we have to provide the encapsulation .1q, and then VLAN ID is 10, and then we have to provide the IP address. So IP address is 192.168.10.1. So this is the default gateway, right, for VLAN 10. 255.255.255.0. Again, we have to exit out. Similar thing we have to do for VLAN 20. So interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0.20 and encapsulation dot IQ and 20. And for the IP address should be 20.1. 20.1. Let us say exit. And another comment I have to use is IP. So IP routing and exit. Now we done the configuration. Now we should able to ping any computer from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 or vice versa. Okay, so let me open this. Ping 192.168.10.20. I'm pinging first time. Sometime it will take a little bit of time. You see now, if I ping again, it will be 100% pass. So I am from the 20 network, VLAN 20, and I'm pinging VLAN 10. So now if I go to the VLAN 10, so I am on VLAN 10 right now, and I'm going to pinging the VLAN 20. Let's pinging 20.3. Again, let me ping again. All right, so this is how we configure the VLAN and inter-VLAN. Thank you.